Next one, examine for maximum and minimum. Examine for maximum and minimum values of the function z equal to x square minus 3xy plus y square plus 2x. Solution. So the given function is what? The given function is z equal to x square minus 3xy plus y square plus 2x. So now differentiating with respect to x and y. So then now dou z by dou x equal to dou by dou x of what is the function? X square minus 3xy plus y square plus 2x. Then which implies 2x minus 3y into 1. Here 0 plus 2 into here 1. So then which implies 2x minus 3y plus 2. So this is the value of the dou z by dou x. Similarly, we have to find out the value of dou z by dou y equal to dou by dou y of x square minus 3xy plus y square plus 2x. So then which implies the derivative of x square is 0 minus 3x into and the derivation of y is 1. And here derivation of y square is 2y and here 0. So which implies minus 3x plus 2y. So these are the equation of the dou z by dou y. So now we have to find out the value of r. So now differentiating with respect to x partially. So then dou z by dou x of dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. So then which equal to dou by dou x of the value of z is, so what is that function? Dou z by dou x 2x minus 3y plus 2. So 2 into the derivation of x is 1 and here 0, here also 0. Therefore 2. So therefore dou square z by dou x square equal to 2. So now treated this is as r. Say. So again now differentiating with respect to y partially. So again differentiating with respect to y partially. So then again differentiating with respect to y partially. So then dou square z by dou x dou y equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So then which implies dou by dou x of the value of dou z by dou y is minus 3x plus 2y. So minus 3 plus 2 into here 1. So then what is the value? Minus 3 plus 2 which equal to 1. Minus 3 here plus 2 into the value of y is 0. So therefore which equal to minus 3. So next one is here it is minus 3. So now treated this is say s. So now again differentiating with respect to y to the function dou z by dou y. So now again differentiating with respect to y to the function dou z by dou y. So then which implies dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. So then which implies dou by dou y of what is the function of dou z by dou y? Minus 3x plus 2y. So then which implies 2 into the derivation of y is 1. So then which implies, so what is that? 2. So now treated this is t. Say for maximum or minimum, for maxima or minimum, dou z by dou x equal to 0 and dou z by dou y equal to 0. So now consider dou z by dou x equal to 0. So from here 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So treated this is equation number 4. And next dou z by dou y equal to 0. From here minus 3x plus 2y equal to 0. So this is also treated equation number 5. So now by solving of 4 and 5 equations, we are getting the values of x and y. So then 6x minus 9y equal to minus 6. So this equation will multiply with 3. And next equation minus 6x plus 4y equal to 0. So this equation which is also multiplying with 2. So then here 6x cancel. So here 5y equal to minus 6. So then y becomes y equal to 6 by 5. So similarly we are getting the values of minus 3x plus 2 into 6 by 5 equal to 0. So which implies minus 3x equal to minus 12 by 5. So from here x equal to 4 by 5. So then therefore x equal to 4 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. So therefore z is stationary at the point. Therefore z is stationary at the point 4 by 5 comma 6 by 5. So now we have to check rt minus s square equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 3 whole square. So then 4 minus 3 into 4 minus here 9. 4 minus 9. So which implies minus 5. So this value which is less than 0. Therefore here since rt minus s square which is less than 0 comma small r greater than 0, then z is neither maximum nor minimum. So at the point x equal to 4 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5, z is neither maximum nor minimum at x equal to 4 by 5 comma y equal to 6 by 5. So the given function z equal to x square minus 3xy plus y square plus 2x is neither maximum nor minimum at x equal to 4 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5, and we have to check rt minus s square value. So that value which is less than 0, and the value of r. So what is the value of r? R equal to 2, which is also greater than 0. So using that we can say that it is neither maximum nor minimum at the points of x 4 by 5, y 6 by 5.